Well, I guess it's maintenance season. We've been working on, well, several of our tractors, and our semi took a little bit of work, and we're working on a little dump truck too. See if we can cover a few things that's been going on here since harvest. You see here we got our 9130 in the shop. She required a fair amount of work this year. It's just the third year I think we've owned it. She's got about 5,500 hours on it. I would guess this is the first time that any of the major stuff's been done to her. But here on the exhaust manifold, we had an exhaust leak, so we had to pull the exhaust manifold off and then and have the manifold planed and put new exhaust gaskets on. So we're just here in the process. We ran into where we needed another hose last weekend, so we got the hose yesterday and hope to have the exhaust manifold back together. But unfortunately, all the exhaust pipe was rotted out, so we have all new exhaust pipe here. And here's this piece here is all, you can see it's all rotted away. So, and then this is that one there, that's the turbo outlet pipe, and that one's got holes in it as well. So we bought a kit from, I'm going to pronounce this wrong, but Thormone Manufacturing, and it comes with the stainless pipe here and the two clamps, and then we also bought the turbo outlet pipe from them. So today we're going to be working on that. We get the turbo mounted with its drain pipe, and then in here it goes down through here, and then in there is the exhaust pipe. So we'll get that together today, hopefully. And then on this tractor, you see it's missing its radiator right now. 9130s were noted for not having a big enough radiator if you worked them. And this tractor in its previous life was a planting grain cart hauler. So, well, we use it for tillage and other stuff, but tillage is where you use your horsepower. So we took the radiator over to a radiator shop, and they put in a custom-made heater core for us. It was a 4-core, and now it's a 7-core radiator. So it should do fine. Not to mention the old one was, well, the tractor's a 91, so it was 30 years old. So full of the cores were all plugged up and everything as well. And then also, I didn't get any pictures of this, but we had completely rebushed the center pivot here. It required pulling out, there's pins in there. Here, let's see if we can show it a little better. Yeah, there's a pin there, and then there's a pin down here at the lower, and it's kind of dark. But anyway, you pull those pins out, if they come out. We were lucky they came out on this tractor. You pull those pins out, and you slide the back end away from the front end on jacks and jack stands, and then you replace these, what they call them uniballs here. You can see here, we got plenty of projects going on. But yeah, right there is our uniballs. So we did that on this tractor as well. We replaced those uniballs and the pins for the lower one, and then we also rebushed all the steering rams. There's uniballs in each end of the steering rams, and we also replaced all the pins. So we had her split apart, and we got those replaced. It wasn't too bad of a job. I was pleasantly surprised. Things came apart well, and we got that done on this tractor as well. So all we got left on this one is to put the radiator back in it and finish the exhaust system. And then we also bought a cab kit, and we got a new seat coming for the interior. And there'll be several weeks before we get to that project, part of the project, but yeah, that's what we got for our 9130. Well, we got a bunch done on the tractor today. We got the radiator in, and got the manifold. Well, we had the manifold on, but we got the turbo back on, and all we got left to do is to finish up connecting the exhaust pipe. Here, there's a piece of flex pipe that goes between the turbo outlet pipe and the exhaust pipe, you know, that goes under the cab, and then it goes, you know, up the side here. It's just a small piece of flex pipe here. Can you see the new shiny one? That's the new piece. So we got to get that cut, and there's a couple clamps and put that on. And unfortunately, there's a clamp way down underneath the cab there that we got to put on. That's going to be a joy. But other than that, this one's pretty much wrapped up for maintenance season.